The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, or PMA, is a transformative housing initiative launched by the Government of India in 2015. Its mission? To ensure every citizen has access to affordable housing. Targeting the acute shortage of homes, especially in urban areas, PMA provides financial support to those who dream of owning a house but lack the means. Whether it's interest subsidies on home loans or direct assistance for construction, PMA is designed to uplift families across income groups. So, what does PMA offer? The scheme is tailored for economically weaker sections, low-income groups, and middle-income families, both in cities and villages. Eligible beneficiaries can receive interest subsidies up to 6.5% for new home construction, up to 3% subsidy for improving existing homes, direct financial aid for building houses, in situ rehabilitation for slum dwellers, credit-linked subsidies for middle-income groups. PMA is powered by a partnership between central and state governments with active involvement from the private sector. PMA comes in two distinct forms. PMAY Gramin, PMAY, focuses on rural India. Formerly known as the Indira Awas Yojana, it was revamped in 2016. The scheme excludes Delhi and Chandigarh and follows a cost-sharing model, 60-40 for plains and 90-10 for northeastern and hilly regions. PMAY, PMAU, addresses housing needs in over 4,300 towns and cities. Implemented by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, it ensures a Pakka house for eligible urban households, including slum dwellers. Aadhaar verification is mandatory, and the scheme covers all statutory towns and planning areas as per Census 2011. Who can apply? Families with an annual income up to 18 lakhs rupees are eligible, provided they don't already own a permanent house anywhere in India. Here's how to apply. Visit the official PMA website. Click on Citizen Assessment under the menu tab. Enter your Aadhaar number. Fill in your personal, income, and bank details. Review and submit the form. Save your unique application number. Download the completed form and submit it at a nearby CSC office or participating financial institution. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is more than just a housing scheme, it's a vision for a more inclusive and empowered India. By bridging the gap between aspiration and affordability, PMA is helping millions turn the dream of homeownership into reality. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet village, PMA is a step toward dignity, stability, and a better future for every Indian family.